What's going on today, guys? It's Joe the Pro here, back at it again with another video. As you can see, we are at one of my other centers. This is my 5850 center I take care of in Buffalo. There are 16 lanes here. So as you can see, there was a issue with this machine. It was just a double feed call, but the people working at the time when it happened didn't know how to clear it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to clear this call today. Okay, so I just walked back to this machine, and it looks like they had a double feed happening, and they shut it off. So we're going to fix it. So what you're going to do first is turn the power to the machine back on. So I'm going to just turn the B switch on. Okay. Looks like the distributor's stuck at the front. So all we're going to do, we can turn the other two on also. All we're going to do is pull the distributor back, and that's it. Okay. So we're going to cycle the machine. Cycle it again. And that's it. Now I just got to figure out why I did that. And that's it.